Hey, before I get into this, I just want to say that everything I am showing you is 100% real. I have the withdrawal receipts to prove it. Today we are diving deep into how to make your first $100 with crypto airdrops. I have been doing this for months now, and I want to share everything I know with you. First, let me explain what crypto airdrops actually are. An airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project gives away free tokens to users. They do this to promote their platform and attract new users. The beautiful thing is you do not need to invest any money. You just complete simple tasks and earn tokens. Now pay close attention here because this changed everything for me. Now let me show you exactly how I use OKX Wallet to claim airdrops on Solana. The first thing you need to do is download OKX Wallet from the official website or app store. It is completely free. Once you have your wallet set up, you will get a wallet address. This is like your bank account number for crypto. Step 1 is to find legitimate airdrops. I use dedicated airdrop tracking websites to find new projects. Always look for projects with real websites, active social media, and clear white papers. Never trust airdrops that ask you to send crypto first. Step 2 is to connect your OKX wallet to the airdrop platform. This is safe as long as you are on the official website. You just click Connect Wallet and approve the connection. Step 3 is to complete the required tasks. These usually include following on Twitter, joining Telegram, and sometimes testing the platform. Each completed task earns you points or tokens. The pro tip that most people miss is to join airdrops as early as possible. Early participants usually get more tokens because the supply is larger before other users join. I set alerts for new project launches so I can join within the first few hours. Another strategy some people discuss is using multiple wallets, but you need to be careful. Some projects ban duplicate accounts, so always read the official rules first. The smarter approach is to track many legitimate projects, stay early, and keep your wallet security clean. Now let me talk about avoiding scams. If an airdrop asks you to send crypto to receive crypto, treat it as a scam. Legitimate airdrops should not ask for your seed phrase, private key, or upfront payment. Also be careful of fake websites that look like real projects. Always double-check the URL before connecting your wallet. Let me share the kind of result people look for. Using these strategies on Solana, some users report rewards around $500 during active campaigns, but results are never guaranteed. Token values move, eligibility rules change, and you should verify everything before spending time on a project. The key is consistency. I spend about 15 to 20 minutes per day checking new airdrops and completing tasks. That is it. The rest happens automatically as the tokens accumulate in my wallet. Alright guys, that is everything. The link to get started is right in the description below. It is completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you can start claiming tokens today. I check this platform every single day and it has never let me down. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Peace.